In today's video, not only will I show you how to use the Subway app, but stay tuned to the end and I'll also show you how to earn reward points and get freebies on the Subway app. Go ahead and download the app. To start your mobile order, you have 3 options. Join now, sign in, or continue as a guest. You want to hit join now and follow the steps to create an account. This way, you can earn reward points, get alerts on your favorite deals, and save your favorite orders. Type in your phone number, add in the email address, create a password, and then add in your first name and then last. Add in your birthday. This way, you get a birthday freebie. And then hit join Subway MVP rewards. Because we just created an account, Subway is offering us 20% off any sandwich. Select either pickup or delivery. Then select your location and whether or not you want in-store or curbside pickup. And congratulations, we finally made it to the home screen. The first thing that you'll see here is toppings. Now if we scroll down, you've got your menu items. From your classic sandwiches, wraps, to your salads and pizzas, all the way down to your desserts. But to start my order, let's go with the classic sandwich. If you look at the top here, you can switch through the categories by tabs. Subway has a variety of options to choose from, but my all-time favorite and my go-to sub has to be the grilled chicken. Now when you select your sandwich, you'll have the option to either make it a combo or just get the sandwich. But for my order, I'll go ahead and make it a combo. So right now, without any changes being made to my sandwich, the total will be $13.49. Now for your sizes, you can choose between either a 6-inch or a foot long. Next, we have our section of bread. And I'm gonna switch it up this time and go with the toasted Italian herb and cheese. And of course, let's get this thing toasted. And with your protein, if you want to add more than that, it'll be an extra $2. And if you want to double it, it'll be $4. Next, with your cheese, you have a big variety of options. But for my sandwich, I want to add some heat, so let's go ahead with some pepper jack cheese. And now for the veggies. If you know, you know. I like a little bit of everything. Let's get more lettuce, more tomatoes, more red onions, more cucumbers. Y'all, I'm trying to get my money's worth here. Okay. More black olives, jalapenos, oh, and you know I can't forget more banana peppers. And now for our sauces. I like a little bit of olive oil and a nice amount of yellow mustard. And for our seasoning, let's go with Parmesan cheese. Last but not least, you have your add-ins here. If everything is good, hit continue. Now let's create our combo, and we have a variety of drinks to choose from your fountain drinks to your bottle drinks, like Coke, Gatorade, and so much more. I'm definitely gonna go with the simple lemonade. Now, let's select our chip. And if you haven't tried any of Miss Vicky's chips, I definitely recommend you trying them. If everything looks good, hit add to bag. Now at this stage of the ordering process, and then it'll have some recommended items from the Subway app that you might want to try. Next, hit view back and checkout. So in total, we ordered the classic sandwich combo footlong with grilled chicken. Then, we got our Simply lemonade and our chips. And if you want to add special instructions, you can do so down here. So let's just say that you have 3 kids, and you know that they're not going to eat the whole thing. So, you can have your sandwich cut into 3 pieces, that way everybody gets a piece. So all in all, with our tax included in this, our order is going to be $15.34. If everything's to check out for you, go ahead and hit continue. For your order details, we have an in-store pickup at 519 Central Avenue that'll be ready by 2 p.m. A cool feature that Subway has is its option for a pickup time. It can go all the way up to 5 hours in advance when you pick up your order. So let's say you're at work and you know you're going to want dinner and you won't get off for another 5 hours. You can go ahead and schedule a time for your order to be ready for pickup right when you get off work. Now if you want, you can go ahead and add a tip here. And if you want to add more than what they're offering, you can click other and insert the amount that you would like. Now if you have a gift card or you would like to use your points, this is where you would do so. And the final step when ordering your sub from Subway is hit place order. And that's how to order ahead on the Subway app. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, please comment down below and I'll get back to you. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.